unboxing and first look of this Galaxy FitE smartband. So I've already unboxed this and set it up, so let's just get it. It requires a smartphone with minimum of Android 5.0 Lollipop with 1.5 GB RAM as it says in the box. The MRP and price quoted here, as you can see, is around 2,590 rupees. But on Flipkart they have given some pre-order offers, so you can get it for around 2,050 I guess. I pre-ordered it, so I've got the discount, which is with the bank card I guess. The MRP on tip. Now let's just get on straight into the box. Opening the package, we've got the user manual, which no one really cares. Next up, we've got the charging cradle through which we charge the smartband. Let's keep it aside. And here we've got the smartband itself. It's actually really light in weight, and I've already set it up, so just let's not worry about it. I've also enabled the double tap to wake function, and these are the features. Let me explain it later. That's it. Nothing else in the box. So coming back to the smartband, this is actually a very light weight. We've got the heart rate sensors and all the other. You've got the heart rate sensor. Next, the display. The display is also looking really cool, but as you can see, the display is really small. I couldn't show it to you here, but the thing is, there's a square black bar which is just the display. So that's what it is. Now let's just quickly compare with the Mi Band 2. So here I've got the Mi Band 2, and this is the Galaxy Band. I think you need to tap it a bit harsh for it to make it act. Yeah, as you can see, the display is actually smaller than the Galaxy 15, whereas my Mi Band actually is being quite a while since I've used it. So yeah, now let me take you through the interface of the Samsung Galaxy smartband. So guys, this is the app that we need to use our smartband. The first app is Galaxy Wearable. Then there are two other apps which we need to use. The other two apps are the Samsung Galaxy Health and the Galaxy Accessory Service. So let's go ahead and open the app. So here's the app, and it shows all the stats. It says that the watch has just 13% of charge, and this is the Samsung Health app that we downloaded earlier. Next up, this is the notification settings. These settings can be turned on or turned off depending upon your preference. Turn on screen while using your phone, show while using a phone. The next settings are the widgets. These things can be set up according to your liking. Next up, in vibration, you can turn on or turn off vibration depending upon your use. Next up, if you go to advanced, here you can just set lift to wake or double tap. I've set it to both. Next, if you go to about Galaxy Wearable, it can just show you the stats. Next up, you've got this option that's about the band. Here you can just see the device information. Here it just says it has a 70 mAh battery, which is just disappointing. Here you've got the alarm feature through which you can set alarms. Next up, you got the weather. You can just receive notifications on your watch. Next, there's also a feature called as Find My Band, through which you can track your band. Next up, these are the notification settings. You can just customize it according to your liking. These are the vibration settings, on or off. I've actually turned it on. If you go to advanced, you can actually lift to wake your band, double tap, or both. I set it to both. If I double tap my band, it would wake, or if I even lift it, it would wake. For an instance, it just woke up. And guys, here's the part where all of you must have been waiting for, and that's the watch faces. You've got a ton of options to choose from. That's around 6 watch faces. As you can see, I've set to this, and it immediately changes. Next one, this one, and this one. It looks actually really cool. Let's set it aside. So this is the app. Next, let's go to the other app. That's the Galaxy Health. This is the Samsung Galaxy Health app. Here it can show all your workouts. For example, like it can record your workout. Next, it can actually calculate your food if you add it. How long did you sleep? And there's nothing much in this app. Just basically your workouts, your running time, your exercise, your sleep time, etc. Nothing much in this app. So finally coming to the pros and cons, it has a lightweight design, comfortable to wear and a decent battery life. It also supports a lot of activity tracking and could be useful for fitness professionals. Speaking of the cons, multiple apps are actually needed for non-Samsung phones. The display actually in my opinion could have been better. Affordable alternatives are also actually available, such as the Mi Band 4 can be bought on AliExpress for 1900 rupees. If you found the video useful, make sure to give it a like, subscribe and leave a comment down below. Okay guys, thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.